revise birds. Let's start.
This is crow. Crows are large birds with shiny black feathers. They often live together in large families. They are known for their loud voice. Caw, caw. This is sparrow. Sparrows can live in urban and rural areas. They feed mostly on the seed of grains and weeds. This is parrot. They are colorful, quite intelligent and long-lived creature. Parrots can imitate sounds. They can eat with their feet. This is pigeon. Pigeons are intelligent birds. They can identify them in mirror. They can identify the same person on two different images. This is peacock. Peacock is a large male bird that can lift up its long colorful tail feathers and spread them open like a fan. These are hens. A female chicken is called a hen. Like other female birds, hen lay eggs which can hatch into the chicken. These are hens. This is eagle. Eagle is a large bird with broad wings, known for its keen eyesight and powerful flights. These are ostrich. Ostriches are a flightless, swift-running African bird with a long neck, long legs and two toes on each feet. This is swan. Swan is a large water bird with long flexible neck, short legs and webbed feet. This is duck. Duck is a swimming bird in which neck and legs are short and feet typically webbed. Now we will do an activity with bird. Let's start. For this activity, take Fevistick, one big circle, 3 medium circle, 1 small circle and 3 strips. Now paste 2 strips on third one like this. Now take white circle. Now take black circle and paste on white circle like this. Now paste this circle on big red circle like this. Now take orange circle and cut it into 2 parts. And now we take a semicircle and paste it like this. And now take red circle and cut it into 2 semicircles and paste this semicircle like this. Now paste it with big red circle. Now paste the feet of a bird like this. Now our bird is ready. Parents, please encourage the child to do this activity at your home and share your views with us. Thank you and bye.